Good morning students. Today we are going to start second chapter of English course and chapter name is The Talking Cave. Once there was a lion. He ruled over the jungle. Beta means once there was a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle and he controlled over the jungle. One day he could not find a single animal to hunt. But one day he find in all jungle, but he could not find two animal to hunt means killed. It was almost sunset means today now evening started. The lion was very hungry. Suddenly he saw a big cave. But you can see here this is a cave where lion live. He thought to himself, some animal must live in this big cave. He thought बच्चे that almost animal live in this cave. At sunset, the animal that lives here is sure to return. Return means come back. I will hide inside the cave and wait for my dinner to arrive. Arrive means come. Okay, next page. A jackal lived in the cave. But a jackal name of any animal. At sunset, the jackal come back to the cave. At evening, jackal also come back to cave. He saw the footprints बच्चे footsteps of the lion going into the cave. He also saw बच्चे jackal saw that lion go in his cave means footstep are going to in his cave. He could not see any footprints coming out, but he could not see any footprints coming out means come back. The jackal was a clever animal. Jackal also बच्चे clever means wise animal. He thought if a lion is inside, he will eat me. So he think if lion inside his cave, he will eat him. How can I be sure? But he think how can I be sure? I must find out if the lion is still inside. The jackal thought of a plan. Which is that jackal think in his mind any idea. Plan means idea. Standing in front of the cave. You can see here he is standing out of a cave. He began to shout. Began means started. He started to shout. Hello cave, can I come inside? But he think that if he can shout it and if any inside he come back outside. For some moments he waited in silence. Silence means without noise. And he can stop his voice and he waited in his silence. Then he shouted again. He again shout. He called out again like hello cave, have you forgotten? I always wait for your reply. Reply means answer before I enter. But he show that the lion, he always doing like that way. Why are you silent today? But he speak to cave. Why are you silent today? Silent means not speaking. I will go to some other cave if you do not reply. He is speaking to now cave. I will go to some other cave if you do not reply. Okay बच्चे.